Hey guys. Alright, these are magnetic ballast t12 fixtures that are on a dimmer switch. And you can see that got some blackening on the tubes here. And the cause of this is the dimmer, as you can tell. And there are 3 light bulbs per fixture. Alright, this one right here, the middle one is out. But these are different because 2 are still on and 1 is out. Same thing here. So when one light bulb burns out, the other one stays on. These light bulbs are really showing their age too. See them? Not that one, but yeah. Alright, and when you bring the lights down, well, actually right now the all of these lights are like kind of like flicker, shimmering, but when you turn them down, they do the same thing. See them? Okay, that's all the way down low. See what they're doing now? See them? I think these lights are caused, these black ends and stuff are caused by the dimming itself. Alright, turn them back on. I mean off, sorry. Alright, turn them on low. And see what it does now. See them? Alright, I'll turn them off. Alright, turn them on. Alright, and the dimmer switch is this switch right here. But just wanted to show you all of this. Alright, until next time. See ya.